What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the airbag on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. We'll use a 10mm wrench. Loosen this nut up and pull the connection off and set this aside. You don't want this to arc out on the battery, so make sure it doesn't spring back. On the side of the steering wheel, there's a hole right here, and there's also one on the other side. I'm gonna take a T30 Driver, and you're gonna find there's a screw in there. So it may take a little bit to find it, but once you find it, loosen it up. It's on there pretty tight. There we go. And the screw's not gonna come out, it's just gonna loosen up so that you can pull the airbag off. All right, that's good. And then I'll do the same on the other side. There we go. Get that loose, grab the airbag. We can disconnect the connectors. There's a connector right here. Just grab that and try to pull this out, just like that. And then these two connectors. For these two connectors, I'm just gonna use a pick, and you wanna pull this centerpiece up first. Try to get under here. There's a little lock. Locks these in, just like that. Once you get that up, you can get underneath the connector and slide it out. Just be careful not to break these. Just like that. Then you can grab the airbag. When you place the airbag down, place it with the top of it facing up, just in case it goes off. You don't want it this way. You don't want it to go off that way. Now we want to plug these connectors in. Make sure you don't twist these all around. I'm actually going to connect this black wire right here first. It's actually the ground for the horn, or that's what makes the horn work. And plug the orange connector on the orange side, just like that. Lock it in place, and then the black one on the black side. And lock it in place. And just make sure those wires aren't twisted, anything weird. They look good. Just line this up. Goes right there. And take your T30 Driver. You're gonna do one side at a time. Get that on there. Tighten that up. And then we'll tighten up the other side. So I'm just tightening these up. Make sure they're good and snug. Now, if you have the ability to use a torque wrench, you're going to torque these to 78 inch-pounds. I'm not going to be able to do that because I can't put a torque wrench on the end of my driver, but I'm just doing the best I can. Let's reattach the negative cable and take your 10mm wrench, tighten this up, snug that up, just wiggle it, make sure it's nice and tight, and good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.